What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to the Credit Plug channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as smash the like button. So in today's video, we have a special review. We're going to be reviewing the Revolut business card. Now, Revolut cares less about your credit score and more about your business. So one of the unique things about this particular credit product is that there's absolutely no hard credit check. So they're not pulling your credit whatsoever. This is a card that's built for all businesses, including those with subprime credit. So if you've had trouble getting approved for, other fintechs or other types of business credit cards, then you could definitely check out the Revolut business card. So this is a combination of a business card as well as a flexible line of credit. So not only can you swipe it, but you can also pull cash off of it. And this allows you to get instant approvals with a flexible spending limit that's based on your business revenue. So they're not looking at your personal credit whatsoever. The Revolut Business Visa commercial card is issued by Sutton Bank, member FDIC, and it's powered by Marqeta. Now, before we dive into the review, I just wanted to give you an overview of Revolut. So Revolut is a fintech company. They were founded back in 2018, and they're actually headquartered in Jersey City, New Jersey. Revolut is also backed by private equity company Capital Z Partners. They're one of the leaders in financial services private equity. So they essentially invest in other financial services types of companies. Just to give you an overview of Revolut, so they're going to be looking into your banking activity. So it's not based off of your personal credit. Applying won't affect your personal credit, and you'll likely be approved for a Revolut business card, even if you've been turned down by other credit cards because of your poor credit. And you could actually get a fairly high spend limit with spend limits all the way up to 100,000. So they have a revolutionary small business scoring that looks beyond personal credit and can offer you much more than your current personal credit card or business card. The application takes about 5 minutes. However, there is a component of manual underwriting. So sometimes you may not get a decision automatically. It could take up to 24 hours. And usually it's only going to be processed during the business week. So Monday through Friday. If you apply on the weekend, you may not get a decision till the following business day. And again, the limits are going to be based on your business revenue. So this is a flexible spending limit, and it can increase based off of your revenue. So you are going to be using Plaid to connect, where they'll be able to analyze your banking activity, and you can use the Revolut card anywhere. So whether you're in person, online, or you're requesting a cash draw, take your business to the next level with the Revolut business card and Flex line. Now, once you're ready to apply, you just hit this button right here, and there is no hard credit pull, and applying will not affect your credit utilization or your FICO score. So I just wanted to reemphasize there's absolutely no hard pull whatsoever. How does the Revolut business card work? So the Revolut business card can be used to make purchases just like any other card. The difference is that there are no credit obligations, no interest, and no damage to your credit report. The Revolut business card is unique because its funding model is adjustable enough to underwrite businesses in any industry with limited revenue, operating history, and profitability. Now, in terms of eligibility for the Revolut business card, so to qualify, a business must operate in the United States, not be a startup, so it must have been in business for 6 months or more. You must have a business bank account, so they will not accept personal bank accounts. If anyone's interested in a business checking account, I've dropped a link for the North One business bank account. And you must have a business bank account that has not gone negative for more than 3 days in a month. Will applying for the Revolut business card affect my credit? No, applying for the Revolut business card will not affect your FICO score. Now, one of the cool things about the Revolut business card is that you can apply for multiple businesses. So if you own multiple businesses, you can get a Revolut business card for each of your companies as long as they can each qualify for the card on their own. Criteria for a card is based on your business's revenue and bank activity, not on your finances or credit. To qualify for a Revolut business card, each of your companies must meet the following qualifications: established business bank account. Each must have monthly sales of $10,000 or more. So healthy sales figures communicate to the underwriters that your business can meet their monthly payment commitments. You must maintain an average daily balance of $1,000 or more in each business bank account. So your business should primarily be operating in the black, showing that they have a healthy cash flow and being managed with fiscal responsibility. Each business is required to be US based, so you can run your business from one or multiple states as long as they are US based. None of your business can have negative balances for more than 3 days per month. At Revolut, we understand that as sales income fluctuate, your business revenue will rise and fall in tandem, especially for firms who rely on invoice payments. As long as none of your companies experience more than 3 days per month in the red, they can qualify for multiple revenued business cards. Again, this is not exactly for startups. You must be operational for more than 6 months. So startups are not eligible because they don't have the baseline to demonstrate that they meet the above requirements. And another important thing, so if you're in the finance sector, right? So if you're another lender or bank, then you're not going to qualify. So none of your businesses are finance related. If any of your companies operate in the financial sector, including business lenders or banks, they cannot qualify for the revenued card. Now, the application process is very straightforward. If you do need to speak to a representative, you can call 1-877-662-3489 extension 2 to chat with a member of the customer service team Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern time. I'm not going to walk through all of this, but basically you're going to be entering basic business information. So your legal business name, business email, as well as phone number, your entity type. So whether you're a corp, LLC, sole prop, so on and so forth. Then you're also going to have to provide your EIN. So this is your employer identification number, ownership type, business start date, as well as the state of organization or incorporation. Your business website is optional, as well as the industry type. And then you're just going to include your business address. On the next page, you're going to enter in the owner's information, and then you're going to e-sign. And then on the fourth step, you're going to connect your banking information. So they do use Plaid. So you'll just connect through Plaid. And then once you connect through Plaid, then they're going to ask you to upload a voided check. So make sure you have a voided check. Now, a little bit about Revenued. And for those who want to take a deeper look at this, you could check out the profiles of some of the key members and personnel of Revenued. But, individuals with a lot of experience in capital markets as well as financial services. So you could check this out. I'm not going to dive too deeply into this. No, again, this is a flexible business card line of credit. You can swipe it as well as draw cash from it. There's absolutely no hard credit check. They will be looking into your banking activity. And this is a business account. So it's not a personal type of credit account. And this is going to be geared for businesses who might have subprime credit, or if you have trouble getting approved at other types of lenders, and they're going to be looking beyond your FICO score. So again, there's no hard credit pull or fees to apply. And once you're ready, all you have to do is click this button right here. If anyone's interested, I've dropped a link in the description of the video. And again, I wanted to remind everyone, this is not financial advice. We're not recommending, endorsing, or telling anyone. But if anyone is interested, I've pinned a link in the description of the video. That's all I wanted to cover for today's video. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon.